Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is JLo and welcome to my world. This is JLo's world. For today's video, we will do work from home makeup looks. As you can see, I already do the look today. So if you would like to know how I do it, click on the like button, and also please do not forget to subscribe. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. I am so excited to announce you all guys the giveaway for this month of August. This will be the Moschino t-shirt that I will be give away to one lucky subscriber. So the mechanics to win, please do not stay tuned and I will announce that by the end of the tutorial. As you guys can see, this is Moschino shirt with a bear on it. This is size large, so anyone, guys or girls, can fit into it. I'm so excited to announce as well the Gucci belt giveaway, so please stay tuned and I will also announce this by the end of the video as well. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Before we proceed, I will put my contact lens on, and then I will use matte Fix Plus all over my face. And of course, I will not forget to dry it out. For my primer, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Primer. I will put a pea-size amount and put that all over my face. And of course, right after that, I will also use this LA Girl Peach Corrector to conceal dark spots, pimple blemishes, and also discoloration on my face. Alright, I will put that evenly, and right after that, I will also use a stippling brush so that I will nicely blend it all over my face as well. For my foundation, I'll be using this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Cover Liquid Foundation. This is in the color 105, which is Natural Beige. I will just simply put a small dot that's all over my face, like that. And then I will take this stippling brush to blend it all over my face as well. And then I will take this Dumb Sponge Beauty Blender and I will also lightly press on my foundation to make the foundation color even. Okay, so for my concealer, I'll be using this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I will put that under my eyes, nose, forehead, cupid bows, and chin. I will nicely blend it using a dump sponge, and I will make sure it is all even, and I really love this dump sponge so much. As a blush, I'll use this Maybelline Lip Sensational Lip Tint. Using my fingers, I will nicely blend this color on the apple of my cheeks. I love this color that is in Barely Legal, and that is really good to use as a blush as well. And then I'll use this L'Oreal Roots Signature Lipstick in color I choose for my lips. For my contour, I'll use this Blink Focaccia contour powder and put that on my cheeks to emphasize my cheekbones. I love this angle brush that I'm using. And then I will take a fan brush and I will also contour my nose line as well. I really love this contour powder by Blink Focaccia. I will also take this Eyeshadow final powder and also my small plain brush. I will put that under my eyes to set the concealer that I put a while ago. And then after that, I'll be using this L'Oreal Infallible Paste Foundation, and this is in color 200 Natural Beige. I'll use my powder brush and just simply lightly get the product and put it all over my face. For my pangkilay, I'll be using this L'Oreal eyebrow pencil. I will lightly use this pencil to draw my kilay like that. And then right after that, I will use this Vacalure brow gel to fill in my brows using this Anastasia brush. I will fill in my brows like that. And also, I'll be using the other side of the brush, which is the spoolie side. I will use this one to even the color, just like that. Okay, so before I start to do the eyeshadow, I'll be using this LA Girl eyeshadow primer on my eyelids. And then I'll be using my fingers to blend it. For my eyeshadow, I'll take this L'Oreal Paris Night eyeshadow palette. Using this clean brush, I'll take this light beige color and put that all over my eyelids. I decided to use one color only. Since this is work from home makeup look, it will be best to keep it simple and ready to work at home. I really love this soft beige color of the palette. For my eyeliner, I'll be using this e.l.f. black eyeliner. I will put this eyeliner in my eyelids near to my lash line, and it is very thin layer only to define my eyes. I will take this color with L'Oreal Paris Night eyeshadow palette once again and put that on the top of the black eyeliner I put a while ago to set the eyeliner on. The eyeliner is very waxy, so there's a tendency that the eyeliner will smudge later on, so it will best to put it. For my highlighter, I'll be using this champagne color of the L'Oreal Paris Night eyeshadow palette. I'll put that in the bridge of my nose and also on the tip of my nose, and then also on the highest part of my cheekbones as well. Just like that. Just a little amount only to enhance the features of my cheekbones. And then I'll take a small brush. I will put that in the inner corner of my eyes, just a small amount only, to create a little paluha effect as well. And then right after that, I will take more color. I will take more color of this paluha effect and I'll put that on my brow bone as well to highlight that as well. And then for my mascara, I'll be using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. I really love this so much. Since I will not go out, I will not put any false eyelashes on. But of course, to finish my look, I'll be using this MAC Fix Plus all over my face. And this is the final look. I am so happy with this makeup look, and of course, this look is not complete without the aura. So let's go to do the aura. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, have a great life and stay safe. Mwah, goodbye.